So I've been wanting to rearrange my craft room for a while, and sometime around December, Cara Brandon, a fellow junk journal YouTuber, reached out to me about participating in her challenge this month called Let's Get Organized. So at that point, I had no excuse, and over the past few weeks, I've been doing little pieces here and there, and I'm going to share with you my journey of reorganizing and decorating my craft room. And this is where we started. Obviously, there was some cleanup that needed to happen, but also I wanted additional seating in the space, more art on the walls, and find better and more efficient ways to store materials that I frequently use. The first step in the process was to rearrange the furniture in the room to accommodate this cozy little futon furniture chair that had just arrived in the mail. And yes, my desk is literally just 2 file cabinets with a wooden board that I stained myself. Maybe I'll get a new desk one day, but I abuse this thing so much with glue and paint, it doesn't seem practical to get something nicer. Before putting the chair together, I had to tackle this mess. This is a nice room. Are you holding it? It's heavy. Jeez. Oh wait. Okay. So my initial thoughts were that we were going to take down the closet doors and then I was going to paint and put up curtains and make it into a nice little reading nook. But I'm feeling pretty lazy. And I have a lot of stuff in there, like a lot of craft tools that I don't use that frequently, but they don't really have a space out in the actual room. So until I come up with a solution for what's in the closet, this is gonna live out here. And my thoughts are that I can probably thrift a little side table and a lamp to make this its own little chill space. Yeah. Okay.
I thought you were talking to me the whole time. Until I looked and saw them.
Just, doing a little vlogging. I got this chair from Wayfair and it is so comfortable and exactly what I needed in this space. Not only do I craft and record in this room, but I also edit and write in here. So having a cozy space in the room felt essential. I'm known to just lay on the floor to work when I'm sick of sitting at my desk, so I'm happy to say that that will be a thing of the past. I'm always trying to merge function and aesthetic when it comes to decorating this room. I could have just thrown my rolls of ribbon in a box and kept it moving, but putting them in this thrifted basket serves as a practical but cute option to decorate this side table. The next thing on the agenda is to put up another shelf and some art on the walls and tidy up this space where I keep most of my ephemera, inks, and frequently used tools. As a creative journaler and bookmaker, you find yourself with a lot of random bits and bobs, so I thrifted a little chest of drawers to place metal embellishments in and wax seal stamps. When I brought this mini chest home, I discovered that it had the most adorable feature. The last thing to do is to clean up my desk. Having a basket of paper scraps on my desk is a must, and I'm happy that I found a place for my typewriter to sit on it as well. I rarely used it when it was on my bookshelf, but maybe that will change now that it's next to me. Since I'm the type of crafter that works on longer form projects, it's important for me to have a little tray or box to hold frequently used materials that are specific to the project that I'm working on. You know, like those little journal kits that I'm always talking about. I often use this wooden dollar store tray for that purpose, but I figured why not make it look a little bit more special by staining it and brushing on a little gold wax. Okay, so here's the before and after. It feels way more cozy in here and reflective of my style. There is still plenty of opportunities for organization. Like, don't get me started with what's in those drawers in my desk and what's in the closet. Like, that will be another video for another day, but right now I feel happy that I got the space into a place where I feel more productive and inspired to create. And yes, we are still doing the almanac diary, and yes, there will be prompts, and yes, I have completely changed my mind on how I want to go about this project. So, you know, when inspiration calls, you just gotta respond to her, and sometimes that means being, you know, a little flexible in your initial plans on how you intended to execute a project. So more information about that project will be coming out very soon. Thank you for your patience if you were dying to know what was going on with that. So with that being said, if you are looking for more solutions on some organizational issues you may be having in your craft space, I highly recommend checking out the hashtag LGO 2022 and checking out Cara Brandon Creations YouTube channel. So many prompts, so much inspiration. A lot of your favorite junk journal YouTubers participated in this challenge, and I think am I the last one to upload? No, I think there's one more day. There's one more day in the month. So check out that hashtag and see all of the uploads. Yeah. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.